I'm going across directly to Bihar because that's where, remember, protests have been on over public service examination demand of a retest. Now, while the retests are not happening, barring one centre, but it has led to arrests, and Prashant Kishore has been now arrested by the Bihar police. He's the Jan Suraj founder. He's been one of those leaders who has been with the aspirants and protesters since day one. In fact, he was on a fast protest, a fast on to death at the Gandhi Maidan, to demand cancellation and then a retest. Patna police, however, has registered a case against him for holding this fast, and it's a restricted site. Also, there has been a clash reported between the protesters and also the leader and the police. Now, joining me for the latest on this is my colleague Rohit Singh from Patna. Rohit, good morning. What is the current status with the sunrise? Has there been some peace, or the confrontation and clashes are still on?
Well, Pooja, the big news coming from Patna right now is that Prashant Kishore, the founder of Jan Suraj, has been arrested officially, and it has been confirmed by the officials also that his arrest took place early morning at around 4 o'clock at Gandhi Maidan, where he was in fact sleeping at that time because he was sitting on a dharna, and he was also on a Amaran Anshan. That's a fast unto death. And remember what the district administration is now saying, that for the last 5 days he was sitting on the dharna at Gandhi Maidan, which is a restricted area, and you are not allowed to stage any protest or dharna there. And despite being served several notices over the last 4 or 5 days to leave that area and go to Gardani Bagh, which is the designated protest site, Prashant Kishore and his workers and other people, they were not willing to leave the Gandhi Maidan protest site, and that is why early morning today between 3:30 to 4 today we saw that district officials and police flung into action.
Yes.
And Prashant Kishore was arrested from there, and his party workers who were also present that time, they had a minor scuffle with the police, were protesting the arrest of Prashant Kishore. But now Prashant Kishore has been arrested. He was first taken to Patna AIIMS.
Definitely a big moment, Rohit, isn't it, for Prashant Kishore, because he's coming out as someone, as a leader who's with these aspirants. But clearly, how will the government resolve it? Arrested for now officially. There has been a diagnosis that he's facing a respiratory concern. We'll be tracking all that and more. And importantly, what happens to the aspirants? Is there a re-examination? Or as the government says, that the centres believe that no wrong was done, barring one?